Hey everyone, it's Leah again with AP Systems with another Sunspot video. Today I'm going to cover the AP Systems RMA process and show you how to effectively track your RMAs. Let's get started. When an RMA is approved, you'll receive an email confirmation from AP Systems, like the one we see here. The subject line of the email will contain the case number, which is also the RMA number. You will want to keep this email for your own reference. Once we send the confirmation email, we keep the case open for 2 business days to ensure that there are no address changes. The case is then closed so that it can be processed by our shipping team. We would like to highlight the importance of using or CCing a team email contact when you confirm your shipping address. This ensures the email confirmation can be accessed by more than one individual on your team. If you need to make a change to the shipping address and it's been longer than 2 days, the case will be closed, so please call in to ensure you receive your product. When the RMA product arrives, you will see the case or RMA numbers that the shipment was intended to fulfill listed on the shipping label and or the packing slip. You can then search your email folders using these numbers to find our confirmation email containing more detailed information regarding which system and which UID the RMA corresponds to. As we see here, it will always list for you the system that it belongs to, and will let you know what inverter is intended to be replaced, as well as the shipping address. All right, thanks for watching.